Welcome to my channel. Buying Guide. Used Kia engines with warranty in the USA. 1. Know your exact engine type. Kia has tons of engines across models and years. You need the right code. Check your VIN, your owner's manual, or even the sticker under the hood. No guessing. Wrong engine equals huge headache. 2. Decide between short block and long block. Short block equals bare bones. Just the engine block, pistons, crank, maybe rods. Long block equals more parts installed. Usually cheaper than new, less labor for you. Know what you need. Saves a trip back to the shop later. 3. Hunt for sellers who offer warranty. This is non-negotiable. Craigslist alone? Forget it. You want a legit seller with at least 3 to 6 months warranty. Sites like LKQ, car-part.com, or local salvage yards with warranties are your friend. Ask the warranty specifics. Parts, labor, mileage limits. Don't get vague. 4. Check engine history. Ask for mileage, accident history, why it was removed. Engines from wrecks? Fine, just make sure it wasn't overheating, smoking, or stripped down. Photos, maintenance records, anything helps. 5. Ask about testing and reconditioning. A used engine isn't new, but some are reconditioned, tested, or even dynoed before sale. That's gold. If they can't show test results, move on. You want proof it runs, doesn't leak, and won't self-destruct in a week. 6. Compare prices, but don't cheap out. Yeah, price matters, but $400 for a perfect engine is suspicious. Expect $800 to $2,000 depending on year, model, and block type. Factor and shipping, core charges, and installation. Balance cost versus risk. 7. Final checks before you buy. Before clicking buy or signing the paperwork, confirm the engine code matches your VIN. Verify warranty terms in writing. Ask about return policy if it's DOA. Get the shipping tracked and insured. Thanks for watching.